The Great Gray Ghost, the Phantom of the North, the Spectral Owl. The great gray owl is arguably California's most fascinating owl, but it is also probably its least understood. Its dazzling appearance has earned it a variety of nicknames. The great gray owl is one of 6 nominees for Audubon California's 2010 Bird of the Year. You can cast your vote at our website, www.ca.audubon.org. While the great gray owl occurs throughout the boreal zones of Canada and Alaska, a small isolated population struggles to persist in the central Sierra Nevada mountains of California. New research indicates that this population is genetically distinct in many ways from other great grays, and may actually be a distinct subspecies. There may be fewer than 200 great gray owls in California. Because of these low numbers and continuing human intrusion, the species was listed as an endangered species under the California Endangered Species Act in 1980. Audubon California is partnering with the California Department of Fish and Game, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and others to develop a long-term strategy for conserving the great gray owl. The other 5 nominated birds are the California Condor, Western Snowy Plover, Sandhill Crane, Tricolored Blackbird, and Clark's Grebe. Again, to cast your vote for the 2010 Bird of the Year, just visit www.ca.audubon.org.